Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to import customers into your Shopify store quickly and efficiently. If you manage an online store, adding multiple customers at once can save you a lot of time and help you organize your business better. First, open your Shopify account in your web browser. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the menu on the left side and click on Customers. Next, locate and click on the Import Customers button. Then, click on the Add File button and choose the CSV file from your computer that contains your customer information. Make sure the file includes all the necessary details such as names, email addresses, and phone numbers. After selecting the file, click on Import Customers. Shopify will process the file and add all the customers to your store automatically. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching.